Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to find reputable health information using Google. When it comes to health, reliable sources matter. Start your search by using specific keywords like heart health tips or nutrition guidelines. Look for results from well-known organizations like World Health Organization, Mayo Clinic, or government health websites. Pay attention to the website's domain, government sites, educational institutions, and established health organizations usually end in .gov, .edu, or .org. These are strong indicators of credible sources. So let's try. So let's check this first link. So we need to dig deeper into the content. Is the information supported by scientific research or studies? Look for references or citations that back up the claims made in the article. If you can't find any, it's a red flag. And that's it. You now know how to find reputable health information using Google. Your well-being is too important to trust just any source. So make sure you're getting accurate and reliable information. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to find reputable health information using Google. See you on my next video.